Assalamu Alaikum, what is up, and welcome in this another video. I hope you'll have fun, good, cool, and having chill. If you guys are new here, so please subscribe to the channel right now for getting my more tutorials and turn on your bell icon for getting the notification of my next videos. And I'm on Instagram. You guys can easily follow me on Instagram. Link of my Instagram is in the description. And for purchasing any kind of turban or shemagh, you guys can contact to my own brand, Adil. The WhatsApp number is given in the description. We deliver in all over the world. And in this beautiful tutorial, I'm going to show you that how can you tie a beautiful shemagh, Arabic shemagh, like we, who is one of member from BTS. So let's see how can you tie this beautiful shemagh. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have, so give it a big thumbs up and leave your beautiful comments below, because I'm just waiting for your comments. And Allah Hafiz till my next videos.